In the previous section, we have learnt about data types and constant. We are going to dedicate this section for learning about operators in C. Now, what do you understand by an operator? Operator is a symbol which performs a specific task. Now, we have already seen certain operators in one of our previous lectures. Like if you can look at this expression, that is x equals to a plus b times c. In this expression, there are certain operators available. Like for example, equals to is an operator, plus, that is binary addition, is an operator, and multiplication is an operator. So these are operators. Now in this expression, apart from the operator like x, a, b and c, all of these are operands. So we can say that any expression in C or in mathematics is a sequence of operators and operands. Now operator actually does the operation on the operands. Let's take an example of binary addition. Let's say we have x equals to a plus b. Here we are trying to add a and b together. So I say, for this addition operator, that is plus, a becomes the left hand side operand, we call it as left operand, and b is a right operand. Now as this plus is having two operands, left and the right operand, it is called as a binary operator. Bi meaning two, because it has two operands. Now operators are classified based on number of operands it works with. So we have three kinds of classification: unary, binary and ternary operator. As the name suggests, in unary operator there is just one operand. In binary operator there are two operands, like this example is of a binary operator, plus is a binary operator, and ternary operator has three operands. Now let's talk about unary operator. In unary operator, uni means 1, therefore it has one operand. For example, if we can recall, we have already used this operator called as size of. Now size of is not a function in C, it is an operator. It takes one operand. So whatever I give, let's say I give char here, so this is the name of the data type. It will give us the size of that data type, that is, it will give me the size of char in terms of bytes. Okay, so I can say that size of is a unary operator because it takes just one operand. In this case, char is the operand. Let's take one more example of unary operator. Let's say we have got an expression like x equals to minus 2. Let's talk or focus on the right hand side, that is minus 2. If you just see here, there is this operator, minus is an operator, right? Now this minus operator is only applied on a single operand, that is 2. So this minus 2 actually makes 2 as a negative number 2. Okay, so this minus here is treated as a unary minus. Whereas if I have got an expression x equals to 2 minus 3, here this minus is treated as a binary minus because it is working on two operands. So it is actually subtracting 3 from 2. Okay, this is unary and binary operand. And there is one special kind of a operator in C called as ternary operator, wherein it takes three arguments or three operands. We are going to discuss about the ternary operator in our future lectures. So this is the classification based on number of operands. Now there is a classification of operators also based on the kind of operation it does. So there are basically 8 different categories of operators. So that is what we are going to discuss next. Classification based on type of operation. The first one is the arithmetic operator that we have already discussed, which actually performs the arithmetic operations. The second one is assignment operator, which will actually help us to assign the value to the variable. The third one is the relational operator. Fourth one is the logical operator. The fifth one is increment or decrement operator. The next one is the conditional operator. Seventh one is the bitwise operator. And the last one is some special operators. We have already discussed arithmetic operators in details in our previous lectures. Now we are going to focus on discussing all other operators, starting from assignment operators to the special operators in our subsequent lectures in this section. So until then, stay tuned.